welcome to another edition on History of the Edge. I am Ivan Smiljanic, and I have the pleasure today to present colleague Shuhei Sato. He is a PhD candidate at the Tokyo University of Agriculture and Technology. And today he will give us a presentation on the topic of the history of mountainous hamlets in Japan since the 1960s, focusing on population decline and disaster control. Shuhei has kindly asked me that because this is his first such presentation in English language, that we are all kind to him and ask questions slowly. So thank you for understanding, and Shuhei, please.
Thank you, Ivan. I'm very happy to be able to talk to you today. Let's start. I'd like to thank Ivan, Professor Lazarevich, and Nasha and Sasha to inviting me speaking today. Let's start here in introduction. In Japan, mountainous hamlets are in danger of disappearing. This is because depopulation, natural disasters, agriculture slump. Someone said that mountainous areas are difficult to keep their community or their traditions, their lifestyle. Governments also think that the constructing infrastructure, fulfilling infrastructure in mountainous areas is inefficient. They think these areas should be closed. However, residents living in there want to keep their own life, community, and tradition. What we should these areas maintain? This is my research question. Here, outline of this today's presentation. Firstly, I describe the study area named Fudo district. I use video. This Fudo district is a mountainous and landslide prone and very snowy area. Secondly, I describe population decline of this district. I tried to hamlet scale demographic analysis by using censuses, demographic censuses. Thirdly, I describe disaster control in Fudo district. In this chapter, I focus on landslide. And public works and local community construction companies. Finally, I concluding third part of this presentation. Here, I explain study area. Fudo district is located in this. Tokyo is there. This is very Niigata. This district located in Niigata. Niigata prefecture is very snowy areas, very famous snowy areas. This district characterized paddy rice cultivation, depopulated areas, and areas with heavy snowfall and landslide prone areas. Could you see these videos? This is Fudo district. This is elementary school. This elementary school closed 2002. This wooden part of elementary school built in about 100 years ago. The president of school. This is school song. These panels are record of sports, swimming, residents donate their books to school. I'd like to supplementary explanation. This part of this school is built 100 years ago. This concrete part, white part of this school built 50 years ago. This is shop. Liquor shop. Yes. This school now used by residents when they have a party. This school also used when disaster occurred. They evacuate this school. Yes. So, okay. Here I explain recent change in this district. In Fudo in 1990, three hamlets merged into one community. Formerly, there are three hamlets. Were there, but in 2020, these are amalgamate to one community. How and why do residents of Fudo district merge three hamlets? Yes, this is now Fudo district. Secondly, I explain population decline of Fudo district. These figures is X-rays is year, Y-rays is population. Start 1960s to 2020. This black line is total of Fudo district. In 1960s, there were about 1,000 people, but now about 200 people. Green line and red line, blue line is hamlet. Total of hamlet is this black line. The population in 2020 is about during 1980s to 1990s is very similar number of people. Now, Fudo district is one hamlet in this time. And this is it is important to the residents decided to population target in 2030. They want to keep yellow line, the number of people, yellow line. Interestingly, this line is smaller than the number of people in 2020. They think the population decline is cannot 避けられない cannot avoiding this figures is decrease in the number of households. In Japanese, the number of ie is declining, gradually declining. This is several habits declining gradually. This figure is shows the trends of cohort. Cohort is the group of people who is born simultaneously. For example, orange-colored layer is the birth cohort born in 1951 and 1955. Several layers accumulated. It is important. I'd like to emphasize three important generations. First, green colored cohort generation, and orange colored generation, blue colored generation. Blue colored generation, orange colored generation is the parent of blue colored generation, and green colored generation is the parent of orange colored generation. So now 2020, although the population is increased, but orange colored generation remains. The ratio of orange colored cohort is gradually larger. Okay. These two blue colored generation is very decreased, but orange colored generation and green colored generation is almost remains. These two orange green generation is key to remain this district. Normally in Japan there are three generations. It's much volume. This is previous figures. Green colored generation born between 1926 and 1935. Orange colored generation is the first baby boomer after World War II in Japan. They were born between 1946 and 1955. So these and the second baby boomer, who is first baby boomer's child, born between 1971 and 1980s. This two generation is very important in local area, rural areas. These two generations are key to maintain the mountainous areas. Most of them remains in mountainous area. That's why hamlets keeping community. Could you look at this elementary school? Elementary school is closed 2002, but this school established in 1951. When this school established, a lot of residents budget this school or support to construct building. Yes, okay. The figure shows the decline of school children in Fudo. When the school established in 1951, there's no data, but 1965 is about 200 people, children go to this school. Dramatically decrease. So this is because first baby boomer grows and graduate this school, so dramatically decline. But 1980s is relatively steadily, but and after 2000, it's gradually decline. So this is the closure of this school. Okay. So sorry. This layer is this column is elementary school, but this column means junior high school students. So sorry, elementary school student is this. This is junior high school students. Okay. And this figure shows. I'd like to show the number of people aged 60s are also depopulated. And for this district, people aged 60s is very important. This is because the leaders of this district or hamlets are selected from people aged 60s. Before 60s, they work hardly, but people aged 60s, they maintain their hamlets or management their community or plan to maintaining their communities. This yellow wave is people aged 60s. this column is several cohort. Previously I mentioned first baby boomer. First baby boomer is this column. In after 2020s, yellow wave legend is estimated decreasing. So it will be difficult to maintain their communities. We can understand from these figures. The point of 2020 is the turning point of this district. After the 2020 is sure there will be few leaders. This is because that's why they need to merge to hamlets and deduct leaders. And yes, okay. Summary. Population analysis. In the Fudo, many of the first baby boomers remained. They were my classmates at the Fudo Elementary School, and they are very close. The elementary school has closed, but the bond created in childhood among them continues. That's why now their communities is maintained. So what did they do for work? Next, I explain disaster control in Fudo district. First baby boomer is almost all of baby boomers worked at local construction companies. I will explain this. Fudo is a landslide prone area. This article tells us fear of landslide. Headlines means fear of landslides. This figure close up this. Please look at this is elementary school. Their house is located in there, and this is this big crack, and landslide occurred. This is the danger of. This is very dangerous. This newspaper article tells us that the elementary school was in danger of a landslide occurred on 7th of April in 1960s. So this is the list of landslide occurred in Fudo. First, please look at 1897 and 1896, 1897. Almost every year occurred 1950, 58, 59, 60s, 65, 70, 70, 71, 72. Every year occurred. This please look at this shallow. This shallow is landslide prone areas. Okay. This is a difference and landslide before and after before landslide occurred, 6 months later, it slipped the soil and broken the fence. Here I explain how to control landslide. There are four methods. First, public works for landslide prevention. Agencies plan to construct dam, fence, or fence. Second, monitoring landslide by residents. Monitoring cracks, or some residents monitoring cracks. And finally, keeping cultivation. Interestingly, keeping cultivation prevent landslide. So firstly, I explain landslide prevention by public works. This is landslide control system. The part of this figure shows public works. Very confused system. There are 3 agencies in charge of landslide prevention. Firstly, forestry agency want to protect forest against landslide. Agricultural agencies also want to keep field, and agencies in charge of infrastructure want to keep river. They each other budget prefecture. Prefecture plan to control landslide and execute to local construction companies. Residents in Fudo is involved as operator, backflow operator, and also residents involved in worker. They dig slope or constructing dam and drains. So and also residents monitoring landslide and cultivating the rice field. And yes, okay. So this is a very complex jurisdiction. In Japan, disaster control is very complex jurisdiction. Planning disaster control policy is cabinet office. Prediction is meteorological agencies. Rescue, fire and disaster management agency. But civil engineering for disaster control is 3 agencies. Previously, I explained. In Japan, these similar disaster is distinguished 3 similar disasters. For example, agencies in charge of infrastructures involved in landslide. Sorry. This is a landslide, and this is the debris flow is different from landslide. Also, slope failure is different from landslide. So landslide is slowly, long-term soil move. But debris flow is rapidly with heavy rain. When it rains heavy rain, this disaster is usually occurred. Very big mudslide. Finally, slope failure is also rapidly, but this kind of disaster usually occurs nearby urban areas. This illustration shows. Interestingly, landslide is three agencies jurisdiction, but debris flow and slope failure is not. Landslide only three agencies in charge of control. Here, I would like to landslide prevention area. Three agencies designate their landslide prevention areas, each other, very confused. Please look at this map. This part is Fudo district. Fudo district have three agencies put their areas. Green color is forestry land areas, and yellow block was set by agricultural agencies. Light blue colors color areas were set by infrastructure agencies. It's very confused. And next, this graph shows the cost of public works for landslide prevention. X-rays 1960s, 2020. In 1958, Landslide Prevention Act started, but in Fudo district, it's about 1970s up, increasing the a lot of works conducted. Most of public works in landslide prevention work is green. So forestry agencies do the plan the construction. This is okay. So I explained this slide, and for prevent landslide, what we need to construct structures, dam, dam is stopping water and drain is collecting water, and anchor is fix the soil. So fixing the soil is preventing landslide. This is drain is yes. Okay. So who made these drain or dam? So answer is first baby boomers made these dams or drains or drains for prevent landslide. Most of the structures for preventing landslide was constructed by local companies. Residents living in Fudo were employed by local construction companies. The employees, there are two patterns. Operators who are drivers of backhoe or crane or dump car. All operators were first baby boomer. Previously, I explained orange-colored generations. Orange-colored generation, i.e., first baby boomer, are by working construction companies. Other workers also employed by construction companies. Since there are construction companies, they could earn money. So, in other words, because Fudo district is landslide prone area, so the residents could earn money and keep their hamlets. Okay, and so the operators also in winter, operators eliminate snow, and because of heavy snow, they cannot construct this dam. They needed to finish constructing dam before snow. So in winter, operators drive the snow plow. This is he is operator. He is operator. He is operator. This party held in last winter. They drive these kind of snow plows. Local governments rent snow plows to local construction companies. Residents drive these machines. Okay. This is small snow plows. Residents need to eliminate snows where these big machine cannot drive. Local governments pay subsidies for purchasing snow plows. Several families buy this kind of snow plows. They use this kind of machine. So, this picture is in 1960s public work. He dig the soil in order to make the drain. Very long history of landslide prevention in Fudo district. Competition drain. This kind of drain is a lot of. There are a lot of drains or dams in Fudo district. Stones and concrete. This is also dam. This kind of small structure is nearby their house, behind their hamlets, and these blocks are also used by stop the soil. This is a fence preventing abundant snow. This is a dam, stopping the soil and water in order to prevent landslide. So next, the monitoring by residents. He is monitor of landslide. They are in charge of monitoring landslide. He checks every day. This area. He checks this landslide prevention area, and he monitoring this area. Next, and maintain cultivation is very important to prevent landslide. Cultivating land is effective for reducing landslide. Cultivation means moving soil against landslide. Landslide is this is mountain, and landslide slips this direction, but they dig soil and move against the landslide. These act also reducing landslide. And management water is also good for control landslide. Okay. For this is spiritual protection. Interestingly, this kind of statue is, there are several statues in Fudo district, and also these signboards also in Fudo. This both these both tells us same notes here in danger of disaster such as landslide and debris flows. Residents pray for not occurred landslide they build in order to pray. They build this kind of statues. This is the spiritual landscape prevention. This is a very modern signboard. This signboard says this river is dangerous. Although these are the time made, but the time build is different, but these same notice. This is very interesting. So I conclude this third part of my presentation. I made this table. I'd like to separate three phases of Fudo history. Before 1960s, this district is a little bit poor, but as increasing public works after 1970s, residents could earn money, so they employed local construction companies. So this 1970s to 1990s is first baby boomers are born in this phase. This orange colored phase, they work. They aged 15 to 54. I think it is important much for Fudo district. It is important that matching two trends. First, life course of first baby boomer and trends and construction, public works. Public works increasing. First baby boomers are growth and to employ construction companies. That's why this district maintain keep their community. But first baby boomers were retired, and after 2000, and that's why Fudo district is in danger of disappearance. So okay. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shuhei, for showing us a topic which I'm sure that none of us had any idea about before. Now I open the floor for discussion. Does anyone have any questions? Or? Then perhaps I'll ask the first question, so to warm me up. So I wonder, how did you collect this information? I understand you know these people and you gather the statistics, or how did you collect the information you presented?
Oh, okay. Oh, I use document stored by residents and in their house. Historical documents. There are a lot of historical documents. ちょっと待ってくださいね。写真。So, and I used historical documents and censuses, and when I analyze population analysis, I use population censuses, and main part I use historical documents, and landslide prevention part. In landslide prevention, regarding landslide prevention, I use agencies documents. I ask agencies. I visit agencies. I get these documents about cost and landslide prevention areas. So, okay.
Okay, thank you. Any other questions, or maybe on Zoom by any listeners? Nobody. Everyone understands everything. Well, then maybe another question. So this generation decline we were talking about. So the landslides and the bad conditions apparently influence this decline. Do you think in this region, or perhaps in Japan in general, is this decline also something that is happening? And what do you think? Are there any other reasons for this decline?
Population decline? Peasant?
Yeah. So are there any other reasons for this population decline in Japan, in rural?
Okay. In rural areas, there are lack of industry, no work, so they need to go to urban areas to earn money and education, for education, and but also the population is the is not rural unique problem in local area, but the population is the problem in facing for Japan society. So in so and okay.
Yeah, okay. Last call for questions.
Okay, so you said that,
Hi.
You said that you have a research question,
Hi.
which is how to that your research should tell the government why to do that.
Hi.
Have you answered it?
Why? Why? Okay.
Why do you keep
Oh,
this process going? I believe that was the
my research question about my research question. Okay. Why residents do this kind of hamlet merger in 2020, not 2021, not 2019. I want to know why in 2020. So one answer is 2020 is the hamlet merger was not conducted in, for example, 2000, but 2020 occurred. Why 2020 is my research question. So this hamlet merger yes, I don't answer briefly. I'm sorry. Hi.
Another question.
Hi.
If you
Thank you.
understand this, I can see that they're employed
Hi.
in a landslide prevention. Are all the people there employed?
No. Part of people.
Part of people.
But most residents experience construction in industry, and so workers were included women and I mean stone moves stone or move stone and cook.
Everyone is
even-
involved into the landscape.
Yes, right, okay.
Is it this? Do the government think that they should abolish? They should stop protecting the hamlets. Do they think that, or they? Is there a reason why they don't all leave? Is this because it's not a lot of people and they're just protecting the village? And is there also agriculture? What are the reasons that they persist?
And
If you have an easy answer.
why
they don't go?
why didn't go? They are
Because
residents.
it's so much people left. Just little percentage of people.
They want to live in. I think they want to enjoy their lifestyle and but in Fudo district, and first baby boomer is remains, but a child and about people aged 20s or to 30s are going to move to urban areas. some people need to care their parents, grandma, grandpa. That's why they need to leave them. But if residents live in now, aged and died, these hamlets would disappear. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Anything else? Okay, I guess in that case I thank Shuhei for this. I thank you for this presentation.
Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for attending and for listeners on Zoom. And with that I conclude today's History on the Action. I think it will continue soon enough. And for everyone in the audience, there is, I think, coffee already prepared. So thank you everyone and until next time.
Thank you so much.